If you've got one of the early years of the IBR Seadoos, your start-stop button probably looks like this by now. What can we do to fix that? Well, good news. It's simple and it's cheap. Everything you need is listed down in the description, but essentially it's a pair of screwdrivers and a replacement button. So let's hop right in here and see what we need to do. So if you look up under here, you'll notice two little openings that are perfect for getting a flat screwdriver into. So essentially what you're going to do is put that in and then just carefully pry a little bit. And then get in your other one, just carefully pry a little bit, and you'll be able to work that off and it'll pop loose. This upper piece swivels off. See how it's got a little hook there up at the top? Set that aside. Remove your old mangled button. Take your new button, place it in place, and take your cover, put it on, and snap it in place. And now, brand new button. There you go. That's all there is to it. There we have it. Simple as can be. 2 screwdrivers in about 5 seconds of your time, and you've got a brand new button that not only looks good, but you don't have to dig your thumbnail into in order to get your machine going. So I don't know what more to say. That's all you need to know. Thanks for watching.